All right, Andy, they got the drywall in. So I'm just gonna, wow, look how nice that looks. Ceilings look so high now. See, this is when I can see a house. I'll try to go slow here for you. Oh, wow, they're doing something in the backyard big time. Oh, I see what it is. I think, yeah, the neighbor's putting in a pool. And we'll head over to your, wow. It just has a different feel with these ceilings so high and the drywall in. That's gonna be a nice view at night. Big shower. There's where you're lighting over your double sink. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I almost tripped. A huge closet. Yeah, there's a brick or something there. I just clipped my foot on. All right, back out in this big great room, which is just beautiful. There's your foyer. No, the house is really looking good. Love the windows here. The powder room. No, I don't have big feet. It's just. There's your loft area. Bedroom. Going into the shower, closet. So, of course, I'm going to try to turn around slow. Sorry, Nicole, if I'm making you seasick. So that's got its own ensuite. And then back over here. So bedroom 3, because master downstairs 1. We just saw the other bedroom with its own private ensuite. These 2 bedrooms over here share this. Yeah, looking good, looking good. I want to show you out the window of they're clearing the land across the street. And we'll talk to you later. I'll shoot this to you later on.